Hello friends, this is Adithya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, today on December 2nd, Ola made some announcements. So they are teasing about these announcements from past 2 days in their Twitter account. So finally, Ola CEO Mr. Bhavish Aggarwal came to live in their social media accounts and made some announcements regarding their electric vehicles. We should say electric vehicles. Why? Because Ola is also working on electric bikes. So we can divide Ola's announcements into 4 parts. So I'll explain about all these 4 parts in this video. The first part is about their AI tool. So Ola is also working on a AI which is called Krutrim. So we'll get to know more details about this Krutrim in upcoming days because Ola CEO Mr. Bhavish Aggarwal also did not reveal any kind of details about this. So Krutrim is a AI tool which is going to come from Ola. And the second announcements they made is regarding their electric bikes. If you remember, on August 15, 2023, Ola revealed some of their upcoming electric bikes. So Ola is going to launch 4 electric bikes in their lineup. So we can expect these electric bikes by the end of 2024. So this is the announcement they made today. And the third announcement is regarding their OS, operating system. As you remember, when the Ola first batch of Ola electric scooters delivered, that scooters came with Mo OS 1. So as Ola promised a lot of features, they gave those features in the OTA updates. So currently all the Ola scooters are running, majority of the Ola scooters are running on Mo OS 4. So from Mo OS 1 to Mo OS 4, they gave all the promised features in their Ola electric scooters along with some of the additional features. So same like that, Ola is going to continue these OTA updates by giving the extra features in their OS updates. Majority of the Ola users has received this Mo OS 4.0 update, but some of the Ola users didn't receive it. So as per Bhavish Aggarwal, by this end of December, all the Ola users will get Mo OS 4.0 update. And the last and fourth update from today's announcements is regarding their discount on Ola S1 X Plus electric scooter. So if you remember, on August 15, this Ola S1 X Plus electric scooter has launched at an ex-showroom cost of 1.1 lakh rupees. As an introductory price, they have gave a discount of 10,000 rupees whoever books these electric scooters in those particular time. But currently this Ola S1 X Plus electric scooter is sold at an ex-showroom cost of 1.1 lakh rupees. But by keeping a hashtag of December to remember, Ola gave 20,000 rupees discount on this Ola S1 X Plus electric scooter. Now in this December month, you can book this Ola S1 X Plus electric scooter at an ex-showroom cost of 89,999 rupees. To end the IC vehicles, Ola had made this decision. So they gave a 20,000 rupees discount on this electric scooter. So whoever wants to book Ola S1 X Plus can avail this 20,000 rupees discount in this December month only. So these are the 4 announcements which Ola made today. What's your opinion on these announcements? Please let me know in the comments. And if you found the video informative, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.